Here's how to talk to Amazon without an account. So whether or not you have an account or you just can't get into your Amazon account, there is a landing page for this. I'll leave a link in the description that's just a quick shortcut to this page. And it's help with signing in or help with being able to talk to Amazon if you don't have an account. You can choose your topic here, and there's going to be some different options depending on your situation. So if you have an account but you've just forgotten the password, or it's not working, or your account's on hold, there's some different options. If you don't have an account but you need assistance, then you can click on that as well. And you'll see that it'll tell you you can quickly set up an account from the Create Account page, but it also gives you a phone number to call. And they can support you with creating an account, but also they're going to help you no matter what your questions are. This is how you can get a hold of Amazon even if you don't have an account, if you have some questions around different things. Now there's different phone numbers here. I would go to this landing page just in case these numbers update or they change the options in this drop down or the advice that they give down here. But there's a US and Canada line, and there's also other countries or an international type of line. There's different things here. There's different numbers for different types of issues that you're having here. If you can't even create an account, there's some options for that as well. The numbers may or may not be the same here, but I know that if you go to Forgot Password, there's actually a reset password page and then some information if you've tried resetting your password already. So like I said, there's a quick shortcut link in the description, but this is how you can talk to Amazon or Amazon customer service if you don't have an Amazon account.